How you doing, YouTube? Yes, welcome to another video. Today's topic is going to be about how to get out of the past. Stay to the end of the video to get the more important tips and the best tips of how to stay out of the past. Let's start off with meditation. Meditating on God's word is a good way to stay out of the past. God's word is timeless. Principles are timeless. Think about others. Think about others more than yourself is a good way to stay out of the past and to not concentrate so much on yourself and your own problems. Focus on breathing. Focus on your breathing. Focus on your breathing in and out. Some people say inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Don't fight my thoughts. Some thoughts need to be rejected if they're constantly negative. But thoughts come and thoughts go. Next is to keep a journal. Keep a journal of your daily activities, what you've accomplished. Keep a journal of your thoughts, of your ideas. These are good ways to express yourself through writing. Get it down on paper, write it down on paper. Write down your plans on paper as well. Your goals, realistic goals, smart goals. Yes. Live in the present moment is another one. If you're in the room, be in the room. If you're in a conversation, be in the conversation. Don't be daydreaming about other things when you could be actually present in the situation, in the time, in the moment. Recognize your improvements is another way also to stay out of the past. Some people may consider this. When I was on a course years ago, they said keep a victory log. Keep a log of all of your victories so that you can read them over time and refer to them, and it should increase your confidence and gives you something to recognize the improvements that you've made along the way over a period of time. Forgive yourself. Some people are really hard on themselves and do need to forgive others as well as yourself. People are not perfect. We strive for perfection. But are we perfect? Maybe not. So listen to uplifting music is another way to get out of the past. If you're a person that's listened to a lot of negative music, you may want to pray and fast about that, console or have conversations with God. Cast your cares to Him. Expect to be delivered. Believe that He's heard and answered your prayers. Next one is to read peace. Find peace in the scriptures.